Hello everyone, I'm getting ready to make a recipe out of this Taste of Home Celebrations cookbook. Sage here is supervising today. Good morning, Sage. Today is Father's Day, and I was just flipping through this recipe book last night, just trying to think of some ideas of something to make for Robert. And under the St. Patrick's Day section, they have this slow cooker Reuben spread. So it's basically like a Reuben sandwich dip. And I'm like, you know what? That sounds interesting. I've never tried it anywhere. And it said 1.5 quart slow cooker, which is like a small slow cooker. This one is a 2 quart slow cooker. So all we need is a package of cream cheese, a can of sauerkraut, Thousand Island dressing, Swiss cheese, and then corned beef. I really would have preferred deli corned beef, but when I went, the deli wasn't open, and all I could find was this Budding brand, which I realize it's not the best, but you know what? When it's all melded together with everything else, I don't think it has to be the best corned beef. So we're gonna get all these ingredients mixed together and then cooked on low for 2 to 3 hours. 3 tablespoons of Thousand Island dressing. Sauerkraut will be drained. 2 cups of Swiss cheese, which I don't even, used to be a bag of cheese was 2 cups, but with shrinkflation, I don't even know if this is going to be 2 cups anymore. I'll measure it out and we'll see. Hopefully it's 2 cups. And then 3 ounces of corned beef chop. This one package is 2 ounces, so it's going to be 1.5 packages of corned beef. I'll probably just use all the packages. So just a little 1 ounce extra. Is that okay? Sage is not even paying attention anymore. Anyway, this cookbook is, how old is this? That can't be too old because it's got social media prompts on it. I picked this up at a discount store last year. All right, the sauerkraut really didn't need to be drained too much. There wasn't much liquid in it. I'm kind of feeling this crockpot's gonna be too small, even though it says a 1.5 quart and this is a 2 quart. We'll see. I added the Swiss cheese and it did end up being 2 cups, so that makes me very happy. The bag was perfect 2 cups. I chopped up the corned beef, and last step is to add 3 tablespoons of Thousand Island dressing and then put it on the heating element. It says, what does it say? 2 to 3 hours or until cheeses are melted, stir to blend. Serve warm with bread or crackers. I picked up mini rye bread. All right, it's in my mini crock pot. Put the lid on, have it on low. We'll come back in 2 hours, or actually an hour. I'll stir it, then once the cheese starts warming up, it's been an hour, so I'm gonna check my crock pot and stir it. Oh, it's hot. It's hot. But the cheese in the middle hasn't melted yet, so let me stir this really good. The cream cheese on the bottom has definitely melted, but the Swiss cheese has not melted yet. So I'll check back in a half hour. It's been 3 hours. I keep forgetting there's sauerkraut in it because I'm like, oh, it's not melted. It's melted, it's just the sauerkraut is giving it a texture. It smells pretty good. All right, so the original intention of this recipe is like a dip for a party, but this is just a snack for me and my husband. I got rye bread. Of course, crackers would work too, but I went with the rye bread. All right, so right off the bat, the one thing I would change in the recipe is I should have chopped the sauerkraut. The sauerkraut is very long and stringy, which doesn't really work if you're trying to like scoop it out on a dip, right? Don't you agree, Robert? The sauerkraut's too stringy. I mean, look at that.
I'll cut it off.
It is good though.
It is good.
Yeah. The only thing I would change is chop the sauerkraut before adding it to the dip. Really, really good. I would do that recipe again. It tastes really, really good. The other thing I wanted to add is keep in mind it's sauerkraut. So it stinks. It smells like sauerkraut. I don't mind the smell, but it does bother the to some people, they hate that smell. So I don't know that I would bring it to a party, because then you're bringing a stinky dish, but it does taste very good.